So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create bar charts for any data instantly without using Excel data sheets. Now in order to do it, all you need is just open any of the browser you have, and here you have to write metacharts.com. You can see the right URL over there. It has a dash in between. Just simply search for it and wait for the site to respond. Here when you scroll down, you're gonna see this option which says bar chart. Just simply tap over there and wait for it to respond. Now here you can change multiple settings, for example if vertical or horizontal, and the type 3D or normal. Once you go with it and give it your data, it will automatically generate. You have to enter the data and the labels, and it will automatically generate the data chart for you right here. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.